In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a hyperlink to an email address in your PowerPoint presentation. This is a useful skill that can enhance the interactivity of your presentation, making it easy for viewers to contact you directly through an email link. So let's get started. First, open the PowerPoint presentation file you're working on. You'll likely have this file saved on your computer, so navigate to the folder where it's stored and open it up. Once your presentation is loaded, you'll want to navigate to the specific slide where you'd like to add the hyperlink. This might be a slide that has contact information, or perhaps it's a part of your presentation that invites viewer interaction. Next, identify the email address that you wish to hyperlink. Using your cursor, click and drag to select the entire email address. This highlights the text and signals to PowerPoint that you're going to be doing something with the selection. It's crucial to ensure that only the email address is selected, nothing more, nothing less, so that your hyperlink works correctly. Once you have the email address selected, look to the top of your PowerPoint window and find the Insert tab. Click on it. This will reveal a toolbar with various options related to inserting elements into your presentation. In this toolbar, you'll notice a section labeled Hyperlink. Click on the Link option within this section. This action opens the Hyperlink dialog box, a gateway to your hyperlink settings. In the Hyperlink dialog box, pay attention to the left panel where you'll see several options for linking. Here, choose the option labeled Link to Email Address. Clicking this will shift the focus of the dialog box, specifically allowing you to set up an email-based hyperlink. You'll now see a field labeled Email Address. This is where you need to type the email address again. Doing this ensures that PowerPoint creates a valid email hyperlink. Additionally, there's a field for subject right below. If you wish, you can enter a subject line, which will automatically populate any email that a viewer opens by clicking your link. This optional subject can be a real time saver and adds a layer of professionalism to your communication. After you've entered the email address and the subject, if desired, take a moment to review everything to ensure there are no typos or mistakes. Once you're satisfied, go ahead and click OK. This action confirms all your choices and applies them to your presentation. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully added a hyperlink to an email address within your PowerPoint presentation. Now, when someone views your slide, they can simply click on the linked email address, and their default email client will open with a new email ready to be sent to you. This convenience can make a big difference in user interaction with your presentation. Thanks for watching and happy presenting.